Good morning, student. My name is Roshan. Today, I will teach you computer class 7, and today's topic is Introduction to MS Access. Okay, in this chapter, we will learn how to create database, create table, set the primary key, insert data, and create a horizon key. Now, let's see. First of all, what is MS Access? Microsoft Access is a part of the Microsoft Office 2010 professional site package. Microsoft Office is a database system of Microsoft site package. It is a database management system, and Microsoft Access help to maintain the database used for organizing large amount of data. For example, maintaining information about all students. Okay. Now next slide is creating database. Microsoft Office, there are 5 type of elements have creating database. First is table. Table are used to store data in the form of row and column. What is the table? Table is a consist of row and column. Okay, now next element is form. Form, you can create different type of form like admission form, Facebook form. There are different type of form you can create in Microsoft Access. Now reports. Reports are used to display the data stored in different tables. And fourth element is query. You can use query to answer regarding the data stored in a table. And last one is the relationship element. You can create relationship among the common field of two tables. Relationship element are used to relationship among two common fields table. Okay. Now, how to start Microsoft Access? First of all, we will see how to start Microsoft Access. First of all, click on Start button. The Start menu appear on the screen. Then click on All Programs option. After that, click on All Programs option. Then click on Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office. Then expand the Microsoft Office folder. Then click on Microsoft Access. After that, the Microsoft window appear on the screen. Then create on the middle bar under the available templates. Then click on blank database. Where click on blank database icon. Then type the database name, file name. For example, student record. Then click on create. Your database student record has created on Microsoft Access. Okay. Now next, the Microsoft Access window appear on the datasheet view. So this window is the datasheet view. Okay. Top of this is the left side of quick access toolbar. What is this? Quick access toolbar. What is the quick access toolbar? It gives you access the options such as save, undo, redo. Okay. Next is the title bar. It displays the name of database. And third is, this is a ribbon. Okay, it's called ribbon. Ribbon show the tab and their option. Ribbon is a consist of group. Next, tabs. This is the tabs. Display the table name. Next is work area. This is the work area. It used to create different element of database. And this is a status bar. Status bar so located at the bottom of window. Navigation pane. What is the use of navigation pane? Navigation pane display the element of database. So these are things are component of MS Access window. Now next point is the table. Okay, now we will see what is the table. I have already discussed table. What is the table? Table are set of row and column. What is the table? Table are set of row and column. It is the primary element of Microsoft. Table are is the primary element of Microsoft. Create table to insert data. Table has column, handling and data type. Now, this data type. This is a very important point of Microsoft Access. Data type. There are different type of data type in Microsoft Access. First is text data type. This data type contains text or combination of the text such as name and numbers. Text data type used to number and name. Now, next data type is a memo. This data type used to lengthy text or numbers. It supports 65,535 characters. Memo data type. Okay, now next data type is number. This data type includes the numeric data type. Number data type used to number. Okay, now next is the date and time. Date and time data type used to store date and time. Currency. These data type include the amount of money or currency value. Auto data type. This is a unique sequential number that increase by 1 or random numbers. Come under this data type. Yes and no. Yes and no data type contains only two values. Yes and no, true or false, off and on. Yes data type used to contain two values. Query object. This data type includes the object created in other programs. Okay, and last one is the hyperlink. Hyperlink data type contains the field of store hyperlinks such as URL address, URL of address of website. Okay, and attachment data type used to attach file. So Microsoft Access, there are different type of data type support in Microsoft Access. Okay, now next is when we create database, there are two ways to create a table. First is datasheet view and second is design view. Okay, now let's see how to create datasheet view. First of all, start Microsoft Access and create blank database. After that, ID column with auto number data type appear on the screen. Then double click ID column and enter the required name and rename it. Then press enter key. Then click on add column. A drop down list showing data type appears. You can see over screen text, number, currency, date and time, yes and no, lookup, path text, memo, attachment, hyperlink. So this is data type. And select the required data type and enter the required name. Similarly, create 2 or more columns. The result appear this type of on the screen. Okay, ID, student name, grade, address. Now, then how to save a table? How to save a table? First of all, click on File tab. Where we click File tab. After that, the file window appear on the screen. Then click on Save option. The Save as dialog box appear. Then type the table name and click on OK. Your file saved. Okay. So okay student, today we have learned what is the Microsoft Access and different type of data type and how to create database and how to save. Thank you. Bye.